Are annoying pop-up windows interrupting your web browsing? Samsung Internet include a block pop-up feature that help prevent websites from opening unwanted pop-ups in new tabs. Let me show you how. First, open the Samsung Internet app. Tap the three-dot menu in the bottom right corner. Then tap Setting. Tap Security and Privacy. Scroll down the screen. Here, enable or disable block pop-up. This option is enabled by default to help provide a safer and less distracting browsing experience. If you'd like to see whether any pop-up have been blocked, simply tap Block Pop-ups. If Samsung Internet has blocked any pop-up, they will be listed here. And that's how you block pop-up in Samsung Internet on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.